Gyuksh was born into a family of medical professionals, which likely shaped his disciplined approach to chess. His father serves as a surgeon, while his mother works as a microbiologist. Beginning his chess journey at the age of 7, Gyuksh practiced diligently and quickly gained recognition in tournaments. His commitment not only impressed his coaches but also helped refine his focus. His childhood coach noted Gyuksh's exceptional focus and willpower, describing his dedication as close to obsession. He often compared his progress to that of his peers, which fueled his competitive spirit. Gyuksh achieved the title of international master at just 12 years old, consistently excelling in various championships. These early accomplishments laid a robust foundation for his future successes. In 2023, Gyuksh made headlines as the youngest player to attain a 2,750 rating, showcasing his extraordinary skill. This milestone established him as a promising star in the chess community. Throughout his chess journey, Gyuksh received invaluable support from his parents. Their encouragement allowed him to concentrate fully on refining his skills and pursuing his aspirations.